Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pocket Studio Sessions. I'm Dan, and in this episode of Summer Band Camp, we're going to be going over how to play the first ukulele part for the first part of my song. You'll only need to know how to play 4 chords: C major 7, A minor, E flat 7 sharp 5, and G major 7. For C major 7, we're going to take our second finger, place it on the second fret of our first string. Leaving all the other strings open, strum down. For A minor, we'll just move that second finger up to the top string, same fret, in the second fret, and strum down. For E flat 7 sharp 5, we're going to take 2 different approaches. The first, we're going to start with our second finger on the 4th fret of our 4th string or top string. And then we're going to take our first finger and lay it flat across the bottom 3 strings in the 3rd fret, holding each of them against the fretboard. You don't need to squeeze as hard as possible. In fact, we really only need the middle 2 strings to be depressed, but because of our hand position, it really works best to hold down all 3 strings. Last, we're going to place our ring finger on that first or bottom string right in the 5th fret. And strum down. If you're having trouble playing that bar chord and getting those middle 2 notes to ring out, try this variation. It's just E flat 7, but we're going to omit that B from the chord altogether, so no sharp 5, and we'll place our first finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, our second finger right below it on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret as well, and then I like to use my pinky. You could get away with your ring finger, it's kind of uncomfortable, so I recommend using 4th finger or pinky to hold down the bottom string in the 5th fret. We're going to strum all 4 strings. So if you have trouble playing that bar chord, you can use this E flat 7 as a substitute for that chord. Last, we need G major 7. And we'll also take 2 different approaches to this one. The first one also being a bar chord. We're going to hold down all 3 bottom strings in the 2nd fret. That flat approach, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string, keeping the top string open and strum down. And the second approach, if you're having trouble with this bar chord, instead of barring, use your first finger on the 3rd string, second finger on the 2nd string, and 3rd finger on that bottom string. Difficulty here being getting all 3 of those fingers to hold down those strings in that one small fret. So what I find helps is to kind of move your hand out this way so that all 3 of those fingers can align vertically a little bit better. Press down against the strings, we're strumming all 4 again. So this whole part is made up of 2 different progressions. The first of which is going to be C major 7, followed by A minor 7, that E flat 7 sharp 5 or E flat 7, and G major 7. We play through that progression twice before moving to the second part, which is played A minor, C major 7, and G major 7, which we'll hold for a full 2 bars. Start by learning how to play each of the chords. When you can put them together, try moving between them just by giving each 4 slow counts. When you're ready, play along to the playthrough. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos in the Summer Bandcamp series. Take care. Welcome back to the Pocket Studio Sessions. This is, I forgot my name.